So Adidas had a spring/summer sale on shoes, and that's when I had originally decided to pick these shoes up. I never had NMDs when they first came out and when they really got popular, so I decided this was the perfect time for me to cop these. These are the NMD R1 V2 shoes in cloud white / core black / cloud white, and they were just calling out to me because they would definitely contrast with my Ultra Boosts that are all black, and in some lighting they even look a little cream, so I like that. This shoe features a prime knit upper that gives it a new level of strength and flexibility, and I like the hexagonal bottoms here because that's all just the Boost midsoles, which gives the shoe even more stability. I got these shoes in a size 13, so if you got big feet like me, don't worry, they look pretty good on feet, as you can see. Check out the calves though. Now we're going to do a little test drive of these shoes, do a little walking and other daily activities that you do to break them in, and I'm going to bring out with me. Now we're going to go and see how they handle these stairs. Like a champ. Let's go on and get to the next scene. You already know I had to get some shots up with these shoes on too. So I don't recommend playing in these shoes because they're not really performance or a basketball shoes, but ooh, that was tough. Oh yeah, that's the best sound ever. These are definitely more of an everyday casual shoe more than a performance shoe, so I definitely don't recommend playing in them. And also, I don't know if I just need to break them in a little more or if it was just my shoes, but they definitely felt a bit narrow in the middle of the soles, if that makes sense. And it felt like I was just stepping on a small piece of the shoe every time I walk. And I don't have white feet. You could probably tell from just looking at my legs, but these shoes made me feel like I did. Now we're on our way home. And that's pretty much all for this test drive today, so thanks for hanging out with me on this little mini vlog / shoe review, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Take care, peace.